Hi my dear students, welcome to our reset mathematics class. Okay, today we are discussing a trigonometric problem. It was asked in ESET 2015 TS. Okay, let's go to the problem. If a plus b plus c is equal to 90 degrees, then tan a into tan b plus tan b into tan c plus tan c into tan a is equal to how much? Okay, let's go for this solution. First write what he is given. A plus b plus c is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so it can be rewrite as a plus b is equal to 90 minus c. Okay, apply tan on both sides. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan of 90 minus c. So tan of 90 minus c is equal to cot c. Okay, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So tan 90 minus c is equal to cot c. Okay, tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b is equal to 1 by tan c. Okay, so 1 by tan c. Cross multiplication. Tan a into tan c plus tan b into tan c is equal to 1 minus tan a into tan b. Therefore, tan a tan b plus tan a into tan c plus tan b into tan c is equal to 1. Understand or not? So here minus tan a tan b, take it in this side. Okay, so plus minus becomes plus. Tan a tan b plus tan a tan c plus tan b tan c is equal to 1. Okay, right. Thanks for watching.